Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is our day 3 of our 12-day tense series where we are going to learn English in simplest way and make it easy to learn. And the today's tense is present perfect tense. This tense is particularly used when the action is currently completed. It is not happening in continue, it is just completed, or the exact time is not mentioned. We don't know the proper exact time of the task when it was finished. Third, if the effect of the task is still have on the present, then we use this particular tense, that is present perfect tense. The structure of this tense is the subject plus the has have. Like in continuous we were using SMR, so in present perfect tense we'll use has have plus the third form of the verb. Whatever verb we have in the sentence, we use the third form of that particular verb. For example, I have seen that movie. The verb is see and the third form is seen. So this is our subject, this is the helping verb, this is our verb in the third form, and this is our object. Let's try something else. I have completed my homework. This is I is the subject, this is the helping verb, complete is the verb, and with the D it's going to have its third form, and my homework is the object. And the tip for today is have is used with I, you, we, they, and has is used with he, she, and it. Let's make a sentence with has now. Like suppose he has finished his dinner. Easy? So that's it for today. Please join us on the next day, that will be present perfect continuous tense. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the class. Thank you.